Starting to rain. Holy shit. Oh, those are coming down hard. Oh, there was a strike to my left. Okay. It's definitely coming down.
Indicated, so we don't know if it is right here. So this is what I mean by some areas get hit. Don't go outside to inspect damage. You gotta wait until things really settle down. Wait till the rain stops. You've got rain, lightning, hail, and of course, in some cases, maybe even another tornado. We'll zoom back down to Maystown.
Oh, there's hail. That was a hail shot. That was a hail drop. Oh, there's a big ass hailstone. Now you stay. You stay. That's a big ass hailstone. Oh yeah, there's definitely hail falling on this. Yeah, there's hail coming down. There's hail. Yep. You can hear that. So far, it's pretty small hail, but this is just the start of the storm. Oh, there's a couple big pieces over there. Thankfully, I'm underneath a little bit of shelter out in the awning of my porch, so I should be safe for now. Yeah, there's some hail. These are some big ass raindrops right here. Oh, that's a decent size right there. Pretty interesting. Okay. Oh, that was a big hailstone that just broke up. Okay, now we're getting some hail. Be careful. Okay, there's hail bouncing all over the place. Holy shit. Yo, look at how big that hailstone is. That's gotta be dime-sized. Yeah, we're getting some larger hail now. We are definitely getting larger hail. Yeah, I'm gonna get in the house pretty soon. Oh, we're getting some bigger hail. We're getting maybe dime size. Yeah, it's starting to get up on my shoes. Look at this, though. That is insane. Not only is it heavily... Oh, there's some big-ass chunks of hail going on. I know there's at least golf ball-sized hail with this, but... Damn. We're getting big-ass stones all over the place. This is the most hail I've ever... I mean, this isn't probably the most hail I've seen, but holy hell, there's a lot of stuff of it. There's a lot of pebbles and shit. Yeah, it's starting to round up a little bit, accumulate a bit.
Going through the updrafts and downdrafts of the storm and bobbing up and down and going bigger and bigger and sticking together, and that's how you end up with a huge hail.
Okay. There is still more to film. Yeah, it looks like the... Man, these are some big... Look at that. Look at this one. That's penny to nickel sized right there. Definitely a lot of rain with this one. Yeah, it looks like there's another piece that broke over there. There's still more hail falling. Now it looks like the majority of the hail is past, but there's still big chunks falling. Oh, that was pretty close. Okay, Rocky's over there. Some more hail falling now. Oh, that's a big-ass hailstone that fell over there. Oh, those are some big hailstones. That was... Oh, my... Dang! God, Lord. Wow. Good Lord. Better grab my golf clubs. We got more hail, folks. Wow. Bro, those are quarters at least. God damn. This is crazy. Bro, it's accumulating on the freaking driveway. Holy shit.
shoreline. If you're north side, just be playing safe. You're in that tornado safe shelter. You're down in the basement. You're maybe on the lowest level if you don't have a basement. Put yourself in an interior room, no windows.
That is insane.
It's harder to see the hook here because it's kind of buried in some rain, but if I get rid of the box.
Oh, there's a. Get out of the way. There's. Oh, never mind. Those some big ass. The hail just got even larger. That is insane. I'm going out there in a second just to... I know, Frankie. I know. Dogs are freaking out. Wow. Frankie, get back. Get back. Darn. Oh, that was... That is insane.
It is about 15 minutes into Melville, St. George into about 17 minutes, 20 minutes into May, and Dupo into about 22 minutes. So this is just severe thunderstorm warnings and 1-inch hail. So still can cause some dings on your car, but we haven't seen that destructive hail. Does that sound like we have the Silverado now? Well, let's see if they're seeing anything.
The Dutch guys out there, it's just an example of our crews that are out in the field, and remember there was rotation right over Edwardsville. We haven't heard of any damage, but our crews are making calls, and first reported Shoshana stalls in the Silverado. Have you heard anything?
There's some big chunks of hail out there. Look at all this hail. Well, there's a big one over there. Okay. Holy shit, guys. Holy shit. That is a big-ass hailstone right here. That is a big-ass hailstone. Look at the structure of it, too. This looks like an ice cube. And it kind of technically is. Crazy, isn't it? Wow. That is insane. Well, looks like it's slowed down for now. Well, we got another. Oh my God, look at that one over there. This is the biggest hail yet. This is the biggest hail yet. Oh, that's your big ass hail right there. Damn. Oh, there's another one that fell right over there. Damn. Holy shit, I gotta go take a look at this. Oh my, holy shit. That's your, damn. Look at this hail right here. Absolutely unbelievable. Look at this big hailstone right here. Right here. This my camera will focus. That's golf ball sized hail. That is golf ball sized right there. That is definitely golf ball sized. Wow. Unbelievable.